Hmm? Somebody needs to put my face down for a second.
Oh God, what's on my face?
Me.
You're freaking good off. There's things in my eyes.
The little people dancing
They
around.
are, they're running around now.
So I put like, what was it, three and a half pieces of
Where's that
delicious
other
in your
one?
mouth.
I don't know. Oh, horse.
Oh God.
Oh God.
You're such a horse.
Why do you hurt me so much?
You're a horse. That's like.
Horses don't deserve to be hurt. What did they do?
When they're your kind of horse.
No, you stay off of this. Ow! Quit.
Demery is being abusive! Exclamation point. Tell her to stop.
Quit reading my messages.
This is obnoxious.
You're obnoxious. That hurts.
That's where I'm supposed to, silly.
Movie face. What's your style? Where did you get those shoes?
Hitting me. Give me this.
No, you're doing this. Oh.
You're a whore. She just shut. She just shut.
You're a deal shot.
It's not my fault you can't spell.
I can spell better fine than you. That's something in my eye. It's really horrible.
I just drooled.
No.
You're
Why
such a
did
whore.
you trick me? Why did you trick me? It's gonna go off. It's gonna go off.
Oh, this is the song I stuck in my head. I love this song. You know. Dance with me, retard.
No!
Dance with me. I'll make you. He's funny. Girlie loves taps when I hit it. Not you.
That's what you get. That's what you get.
It really hurt my feelings.
You hurt my arm a lot. So good, my leg.
It hurt me inside.
You hurt me on the outside and the inside. What do you think? My mom is sleeping.
I think I have to pee now.
Go pee. There's a toilet in one of the rooms.
Will you go with me?
No.
So I'm looking.
Look at it. Oh, I know what it's gonna be.
Ew.
Yeah. was blowing a bubble, and it popped into place, and then I blew more, and it was like, and it was really funny. I apologize for hitting you in the face. I didn't mean to. My arm freaks out. Okay, wait. Here you go. You still got a little bubble in it. You just put that in my hair? No. That don't sound like that. You're acting deep in here. Oh God, that's really scary. This is really horrible. That's horrible. That's really scary. It looks like an old lady that's been smoking for 45 years. That's me dropping his happiness. I'm tired. Yeah. After your crack phase. You're a crack phase. You're a crack phase. There are little people dancing in my eyes. It felt like there were. Okay, I'm editing this now. What? Damn it. Fail.